If you want to update software of Sony WF-C710N, first of all, you have to be sure that you charge your device above 50%. So right here in the application, you can check the battery level for the both earbuds, but also of the charging case. So be sure that you got at least 50% of your charging case. And now you have to just be connected with your phone and open Sound Connect application. Then go into device settings, move into system, scroll all the way down, and here just simply enable to download software automatically right here, and select if you want to download automatically only when connected to the Wi-Fi. If you select always, then you will be also able to do this by using your mobile data. And now when the new update will be released, your device will automatically download it and install. So yeah, right here by going to the menu, you can find some information about update. As you can see, there is the new update actually for following devices. So when you find it out for your earbuds, you just have to connect, and that's all.